Hi, it's Chris with WTI. And if you're looking to make your life easier and your car rides much more enjoyable, you need this air vent magnetic car phone mount by LISEN.
I honestly don't know what I did before I had this phone holder. It is so strong and sturdy. I love that this phone mount works with the case on, and it comes with two different sizes of magnets, either the square or the round. I chose the round because it matched my case perfectly. It's also so easy to apply and it's so versatile. The magnet is super strong and it holds onto my phone securely, but it's also flat and discreet. I found the installation of the mount itself a breeze. Because of the unique hook clip, it's just so incredibly simple to install. You simply place it on the air outlet blade of the car, flip the knob to change the clip's length to fit the socket, and that's it. The installation's complete. I love that it fits both horizontal and vertical air vents like mine, and I can switch it to either side, whichever one's more convenient, and I have the option to rotate my phone 360 degrees, whatever is most convenient for me. So I find this LISEN magnetic phone holder a complete game changer, and I know you will too.
And that's my point of view.